Hey YouTube families, the Eccentric Diva, and in this video I'm coming to you with a review of a product that I received called FACEMADE Facial Roller and Gua Sha Kit. So I've tried it like 4 times and I was really pleased with you know, how it works. Inside it comes with this Jade Roller and a Gua Sha. That focuses, okay. So the way I used it, like my face is already clean. I just got out the shower, and I like to use this toner, facial toner. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do this video with the voiceover, but if I do decide, you'll see my mouth moving. But anyway, I like to just put toner on all over. Okay, and while it's still wet, you first like to use the big end of this of the roller. This thing, I have to say, does have some nice weight to it. Anyway, you want to open up your lymphatic system, and you want to roll down like 5 to 10 times, starting like under the jaw down to the neck. Okay, then you move over. Just nice, slow, not too much pressure, because it has a nice roll to it, as you can see. And some people, they like to put it in the refrigerator to have it really cool, but I find that it's like really effective even without it going in the refrigerator. So then you want to, since you open up the lymphatic system here in the neck area, then you want to go from like a pursed lip, or I would say from here over 5 times. Same thing on the other side. And then right under the nose, you use the smaller end, bring it up. Then again, with the bigger area, you're gonna go from the side of the nose and out. If you want, you can also use this end, go right under to decrease puffiness. Then with the big end again, you can go over the eyebrow. This is nice tension reliever from the center right across. And lastly, you're going to take the big end and you're going to go right from the center over. And that's that. So I like back in, okay, before the pandemic, say like no, 2019, I used to go to Hannah Stone to get facials once a month. So it was like $48 for that membership. So of course, you know, they have more products, and I was doing like micro ablation, what's it called? Anyway, of course it costs much more, and you know they would include like a facial massage. So for this product, to get that facial massage and also the lymphatic drainage, it's like worth it, I believe. This product, I believe, it like retails for like $9.99, and I know I've been wanting to get one of these. I would see it like in Macy's and different drugstores, and so like it was always my intention to get one, you know, because it's like, you know, part of self-care. So I highly recommend getting this. And also, you know, if you decide that you want to try it, there's also a code that I will link in the description box below, so you can get 30% off. Okay, I mean, so it's like really like for cheap you can get this beneficial tool. Also, now when I tried this, the Gua Sha, I will say that if you're going to use it on your face, you do need to use like a serum, because my face was red after I used it. I believe this is more for the body, although it does say you can use it on the face, but this probably benefits you know, your body more so. I will say definitely, you know, for the price you get these two, and it's definitely worth it. All right, so if you have any questions, you know, leave it in the comment section below. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.